YouTube retires trending page in July 2025. What's next? In July 2025, YouTube officially discontinued its trending and trending now pages, ending a nearly decade-long feature that once defined viral content. This move marks a broader shift toward algorithm-driven personalization, emphasizing individual user interest over universal popularity. With evolving viewer behavior, driven by shorts, niche communities, and search trends, YouTube is adapting to deliver content via genre-specific charts and AI-powered recommendations. For a platform with over 2 billion users, the one-size-fits-all trending model had become outdated. YouTube now aims to offer more relevant, timely, and localized content, reshaping how users discover and engage with creators. Why did YouTube remove the trending page? 1. Declining engagement. Over the last 5 years, user interaction with the trending tab dropped significantly. Today, people discover popular content through algorithmic suggestions on the home feed, search-based recommendations, YouTube Shorts, and the Community tab. Curated trending lists couldn't keep up with the speed and accuracy of these dynamic discovery tools. Second, irrelevance of a universal list. With billions of users across cultures, languages, and interests, a single "what's trending" list no longer reflects what most people care about. Viral content now spreads across language-specific communities, regional and cultural preferences, niche genres like gaming, beauty, and education. A universal list can't capture this diversity anymore. What's replacing the trending tab? Genre-based charts. Instead of a general trending page, YouTube now features specialized charts tailored to user interests, such as trending music videos, weekly top podcasts, popular movie trailers, gaming explore page. These focused lists offer more relevant and engaging discovery. Revamped Explore tab. Vamped Explore. YouTube is expanding its Explore section with intuitive categories and real-time updates. Users can browse by interest area, including fashion and lifestyle, science and technology, health and wellness, local and regional trends. This update makes content discovery more user-centric and responsive. Rise of Shorts and AI-powered discovery. YouTube Shorts has redefined how content trends. These fast vertical videos go viral through personalized feeds, not curated lists. Discovery is now driven by watch history, regional trends, engagement behavior, search patterns. Advanced machine learning ensures users are served content that aligns with their specific interests, making static lists obsolete. New tools for creators, inspiration, table to help creators stay ahead of trends. YouTube introduced an AI-powered inspiration tab that highlights trending topics within the creator's niche, suggests video ideas tailored to audience behavior, uses data to recommend relevant content themes, hype, and discovery features. To boost new creators, YouTube is testing tools like Hype, launched in India. Fans can promote emerging creators, creators on the rise, features up-and-coming talent on official channels, and Explore. These tools aim to make creator success less dependent on going viral. The bigger picture. Audiences today want content that aligns with their interests, not just what's globally popular. AI-powered personalization increases watch time, strengthens creator-viewer connections, reflects the platform's global diversity. Like TikTok and Spotify, YouTube is moving toward interest-based discovery. Retiring the trending page reflects a larger evolution, one that favors relevance, personalization, and creator growth in a more fragmented and dynamic digital world.